Why would you buy a manual die sink machine over a CNC? I'm here with Jeff at the tool room in Hartlepool just to find out why. So, Jeff, before we get into the machine and why you bought it, can you tell us a bit about the tool room?
Yeah, so we started trading in February 2022. We specialise in repairs and modifications to mould tools and manufacturing of components.
Now, obviously we're stood in front of your manual die sink machine.
That's right, yeah.
Now, a manual die sink must not have been what you went to buy, if we put it that way. Obviously, I'm guessing you went for a CNC one and then come away with this. So what was the reasons behind that?
That's correct. Initially we went to look at a CNC spark machine, but we decided manual spark machine would best fit our needs, as a lot of our work includes blending in and into existing surfaces, removing weld potentially. So that's why we went for that.
So I'm guessing it just makes it a lot easier to set this up compared to a CNC machine?
Yes, the setting up's very simple. Yes, it's just touching on edges, setting your Z height and away you go. And you can pitch it about to blend into surfaces. And we just thought this machine best suited us. Ryan was great. He showed us the machines and very reasonably priced as well for what they do. And the technology's fantastic, really good.
Now, talking about technology, what's this like to program or to set up and how fast is it to get running?
It's ridiculously simple. I think Ryan came on site and he pretty much showed me around the sparker for about an hour and we were away. It has the fuzzy control, which is pretty much you just set your power, set your X, Y and Z and away you go. Very easy.
So that just must make it so quick. If you've got, like you said, a repair job, it's a lot easier if you set up by eye than to try and program a CNC.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Potentially, I mean, the job that we've got on at the moment, it maybe took me 5 minutes to set up, and away you go, and it'll spark for 2 to 3 hours. So
that must make you quite competitive then, compared to other companies who are taking such a long time to set stuff up.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the beauty about this machine is it takes 5 minutes to set up potentially, and then we can move on to another job, another machine if you like. Yeah, so it makes life much easier.
Well, thank you, Jeff, and thank you for telling us all about this machine. So, there you have it. You don't always have to go for a CNC machine.